Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick flashlight mod today. Sorry I got choked, man, as soon as I got talking. Anyway, it's been probably a year or so, I guess. A friend of mine gifted me the small Olight clip, or Oclip, the small one, and it lives in my bum bag. It's considerably smaller than this one. I'm gonna have to do a video of a comparison for these guys eventually, but I wanted to share something that I recently done to give myself a little peace of mind when carrying these. And the deal with them is they're magnetic, so one side has a magnet on it, and the magnet is located in this section here, and then it's also a clip, and it's a pretty strong clip, like it's pretty stout. But what you notice when you have to put it on things, because of the weight, it's nice to hang it upside down. At least that's how I hang it. And this is my Hill People Gear Recon chest rig. I've been putting it together over the past couple years and progressively upgrading things as I go. So I like having a light option on the front, the same way I put a small light on my neck knives. Well, if I am wearing a neck knife, I don't wear my chest kit, and vice versa. So that's why I have a Sissy Puko Cub on the front and this light option, just because I can have too much stuff around my neck, if you guys can believe that. But in doing this, I don't like just having it clipped on there. Now it's pretty secure on there. It takes the whole piece of webbing. You can see it. So the webbing goes all the way into the clip. So there's a rubber piece on the end down there. So from the hinge to the little rubber piece is all the way over a standard piece of Powell's Motley webbing, Powell's webbing, whichever you want to call it. So what I come up with, pretty simple. I did it on my other one because it's on the outside of my bum bag. I had it on the inside of my bum bag because I was nervous about having it on the outside of my bum bag, but this made me feel better about it. So to do this, you need a light, the big one or the little one, and a short piece of shock cord. And this is going to be the same way that I do my bubble compasses. You run it through here, tie your knot in it, just an overhand knot's fine. Make sure it's good and tight. The length may change a bit here, but you have to put the shock cord through first. Then you put your clip as you would like normal, all the way through there. Then you just take your piece of shock cord here, pull it back over the top, and just let it fall in the bag. So now you essentially have a hitch around your light. Even if the clip does try to come loose, there is a loop around this that would keep it from just falling off. And you can go through and clean it up. This actually turned out just right. It's a little anchovy knife of the month, pretty awesome. But I like to take mine and cut them close and just hit the ends so they don't fray. And that's it. Again, just take it through first. Let it go back down into the piece there. Just a little, kind of like a dummy cord on there. But I feel much better about just leaving this stuff on the outside and not knocking it off. These guys, so this is the same way that I do these guys. I do them the same way. But if you've used these, you have undoubtedly knocked them off, because the little brass safety pin they come with is it's pretty heavy duty, but if you bump them on stuff, they do come loose. So this is the same deal as the Oclip down here. And I'll do a video on both of these Olight Oclips. They've been pretty epic. They recently reached out and sent me this large one. I told them that I had already been using the smaller one, and they asked what I thought about this, and I said, well, definitely check it out. It's got a freaking ton of features on it. Like it does an unbelievable amount of stuff, more so than I will probably ever actually use it for. It's got one feature on here that runs at like 1 lumen for like 6 days. It's called like Starlight or Moonlight or something like that, but on a full charge it'll run 6 days at 1 lumen, which is pretty crazy. But it's got red light and all that other stuff. But for now, this is just another little way of keeping it a little more secured. Alright guys, look, I appreciate it. You can check out all of our older stuff at Bushcraft Kelso over on Instagram, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. I appreciate all the support throughout the platforms. Lots of stuff coming. Feel free to subscribe, like and share. It helps us out. Yeah guys, have a good weekend. Later.